This is a 1979 Chevy El Camino that we're going to be offering for sale here at Cars Remember When. We bought this car. It's owned by the dealership. It's had a lot of restoration work done to it, as you can see here. Beautiful red, dark burgundy paint with a red interior. It's fitted with an upgraded 383 small block Chevy stroker engine. So obviously this has been changed from stock. It's got your dual exhaust with headers, factory air conditioning, power front disc brakes, power steering. It's got some nice Crager wheels with brand new hand-cooked radial tires. It's got a pretty thick wheel here in the back that helps with the power from the 383. It's a healthy running engine. Check out this interior. This interior has been restored and it is in really good shape. Super clean. Obviously it's got the B&M ratchet shifter there. Gauges here, your oil and your temp on the cluster are not hooked up. We have them down here, a little more precise, accurate readings. You got your fuel gauge there, speedometer, clock doesn't look like it's working. You have a horn. The AC has been converted to R134A. That is a big plus. It is a tilt wheel, and the steering column, you can see it doesn't have like anything for the column shift. That's all been removed, and it's really nice and tight, really sturdy. It's nice to have a nice tight. There you have it. There's your 383 small block Chevy stroker engine, and this is a 3-speed turbo 400 transmission. You can see the electric kick down for the transmission there. HEI ignition. Really clean engine bay, shows really well under here. It does have a aftermarket Cowl hood on it, which gives it a really cool look and a cool feel when you're driving behind the wheel. Awesome sounding exhaust. I'd describe this paint and body overall as a very good driver quality. You know, you do have a couple dents here in the tailgate. You know, you can see them there. You know, a few scratches have been touched up right there. But you know, overall, it's in really good shape. Small chip. Got some really nice pinstriping going down the side. Got the 383 badge. Front end is in really nice shape. So if you're interested in this El Camino, this 383 G-Body El Camino, make sure to go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. There'll be about 80 plus high resolution pictures. If you have any questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.